7-day meal plan for weight loss, simple and budget-friendly. Welcome back to InnerGrout, where health and fitness meet personal real-life growth, empowering you to live your best life. We kicked things off with From Couch to Fit, my 30-day body transformation challenge. Then we dialed into daily discipline with top 5 morning habits that changed my body and mind. Now, it's time to fuel that momentum, because growth isn't just about workouts and routines. It's about what you put on your plate, too. In this episode, we're breaking down a 7-day meal plan for weight loss that's simple, satisfying, and budget-friendly. Designed for busy lives, tight wallets, and real results. Let's dig into what healthy eating can look like without the overwhelm. Looking to shed some pounds without breaking the bank or spending hours in the kitchen? You're in the right place. Today, I am sharing a 7-day meal plan that's designed to help you lose weight while keeping things simple, tasty, and budget-friendly. Let's jump in. Day 1. Breakfast. Overnight oats with banana and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Lunch. Grilled chicken wrap with hummus and spinach. Dinner. Stir-fried veggies with brown rice and tofu. Day 2. Breakfast. Greek yogurt with berries and honey. Lunch. Lentil soup and a slice of whole wheat toast. Dinner. Baked salmon. Sweet potato and steamed broccoli. Day 3. Breakfast. Scrambled eggs with spinach and a slice of whole grain toast. Lunch. Quinoa salad with black beans, corn, and lime vinaigrette. Dinner. Turkey chili. Day 4. Breakfast. Smoothie with frozen berries, spinach, banana, and almond milk. Lunch. Tuna salad with mixed greens and whole grain crackers. Dinner. Zucchini noodles with marinara sauce and grilled chicken. Day 5. Breakfast. Cottage cheese with pineapple chunks. Lunch. Leftover turkey chili. Dinner. Veggie-loaded frittata with a side of mixed greens. Day 6. Breakfast. Avocado toast with poached egg. Lunch. Chickpea salad sandwich. Dinner. Baked tilapia with quinoa and sautéed kale. Day 7. Breakfast. Banana pancakes, just banana plus eggs. Lunch. Veggie stir-fry with rice noodles. Dinner. Leftovers or mix and match your favorites from the week meal tips. Meal prep on Sundays to save time. Buy in bulk to cut costs. Use frozen veggies, they're just as nutritious. Stay hydrated and aim for 30 minutes of light exercise. Daily key components: protein, chicken, fish, tofu, eggs, legumes, whole grains, brown rice, quinoa, whole wheat toast, vegetables, spinach, broccoli, sweet potatoes, kale fruit, bananas, berries, pineapple, healthy fats, avocado, nuts, olive oil. The benefits: nutrient-dense meals, balanced macros, diverse foods to avoid boredom. Flexible for busy schedules. More tips. Prep ahead. Let me know in the comments which recipe you're retrying first, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple health and wellness tips. Customize, stay hydrated. That's your full week of healthy, budget-conscious meals. Quick recap. Day 1. Overnight oats, grilled chicken wrap, stir-fry tofu. Day 2. Greek yogurt, lentil soup, baked salmon. Day 3. Scrambled eggs, quinoa salad, turkey chili. Day 4. Smoothie, tuna salad, zucchini noodles. Day 5. Cottage cheese, chili leftovers, veggie frittata. Day 6. Avocado toast, chickpea salad, baked tilapia. Day 7. Banana pancakes, stir-fry, leftover remix. You don't need fancy ingredients or hours in the kitchen, just a plan that works. Keep it simple, eat smart. You've got this. And there you have it, your simple, affordable, and delicious 7-day meal plan to support your weight loss journey. Remember, transformation isn't just about going hard at the gym, it's about showing up for yourself, one choice at a time. If you haven't yet, go back and check out, and drop a comment below telling me which meal you're trying first. From Couch to Fit, my 30-day body transformation challenge, top 5 morning habits that changed my body and mind. If this video helped you, Hit that like button, subscribe to InnerGrout, share this with someone who needs it. Until next time, stay growing, stay grounded,